Hey guys, on the Dupont here. I wanted to make this video to show you the new property that we just bought. The owner died 4 years ago at the hospital with no family here, no heirs here, so they had to go in her country of Romania to get someone from her family line to come and ask for the property here. So finally everything is done. We are the owner of the house here. So I wanted to show you guys what this house look like, and I'm gonna be telling you the plan, what we plan to do with it. So this is not our first rodeo, but this is one of the craziest one because it's really in bad shape. But we're going to not only fix it and renovate it, but also we're going to turn this house into a duplex so we can rent it to two tenants. So stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video. All right. So there is no power in the house right now. So this is what it looks like. So that's one bedroom. And then a second bedroom. As you can see, there were really bad carpets here. So we had to remove that. Gonna be removing the floor as well. So the electricity is being done right now. So we're gonna have a new panel for upstairs while we have another one for downstairs. All right. So this is what the bathroom currently looks like. I love this here. It's like a skeleton of a shower. So no ceiling, no walls. And we have to change all the windows in the house as well. So the flooring's gonna be going. So really, it's just a mess right now. One very good feature with this house is the upstairs balcony that goes all around the back of the house. That's our neighbors. All right. So this balcony is awesome. The vines overgrew here. All right, so you see the balcony starts right here and it goes all around the house. All right. So when you're on the balcony here, you're overlooking the backyard. Everything is overgrown. The trees, the grass, and everything. So let me show it better here like that. That's the shed. So all this is the yard, but the trees are overgrown, which we'll have to trim. Let's go back inside. All right. So entrance. One bedroom, two bedroom, three bedroom, bathroom, the living room, the dining, and the kitchen's gonna be over here with an island in the middle right there. So you will be able to see that in the after video. All right, so now let's go downstairs. So this here is going to be closed. We will make a closet out of here. We'll remove the stairs. All right, so we will remove this and put a regular door here. So this is going to be the living room on that side. This will be closed. That's where we'll put the water heaters. Right, so dining and kitchen. Kitchen will be against this wall over here, and then with an island that's gonna go this way. The hallway, it's gonna be the bathroom downstairs. It's just a mess everywhere. Right, so the tub's gonna go right here, and then over here we're gonna have stackable washer and dryer. And here we'll have a vanity. We'll take this toilet and move it more this way. Might be a little bit dark over here because I don't have any light. So over here is one bedroom. Then we're going to build a closet here. Then over here we have, so over in this wall there's gonna be another opening to have 2 bedrooms, because this here is gonna be split into 2 bedrooms. So the bedroom size will be from about here to there. So over here will be the door for the second bedroom. So there will be a wall in between. So that would be 1 and 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms. Over here will be a utility room. And then this door will be eliminated, because in the back here, we're going to turn that into 2 closets, separated in half. 1 closet this way, 1 closet that way. And then over here, between this wall, about here to there, we will turn it into a little storage area for the basement apartment. And another cool feature here, of course, you'll need some maintenance there, is this. So the balcony upstairs is waterproof, so the water doesn't go through. Okay, so it will be a nice sitting area in the summertime. And this is the yard. Like I said, it's very overgrown, but we have a vine here. It has lots of grapes during the summer, so we'll have to fix this here. So basically, it's a very big yard, but we can't really see that because of all the trees that are here. So if you look from here to there, all this is the yard, but we can barely see because of all the overgrown here. So that's why an after video would be necessary to see the potential of that home. So if you look up there, there's the balcony, and then all this will be for the apartment downstairs. So the entrance for the apartment downstairs will be around here like that. So we'll do some pavement work here, so it can be easy to clean in the winter time. So I hope you guys like this video, and I would like to see in the comments below, what do you think? Do you have any ideas before we go ahead and repair this place? So let us know in the comment below, and of course, subscribe to the channel so you can see the after video when everything is good and ready. And we will see you guys in the next video. Until next time.